Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at 3 strong buy healthcare stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at 3 companies in the healthcare industry that all come in with a strong buy consensus from analysts. We're going to take a look at what these companies do, how their stock has been performing lately, and of course how Wall Street is weighing in on the stock's future potential. Now we found today's stocks using the TipRanks stock screener. Found on the TipRanks website under Research Tools, we were looking at companies with a medium to mega market cap, upside potential of over 20%, and in the healthcare sector. Now, I did want a strong buy consensus from all analysts, but more importantly, I wanted some of the top ranked analysts to agree on that as well. Plus, I wanted these stocks to trade on these major exchanges here, and that got our list down to just 18 stocks. First on the list today, we're taking a look at Intuitive Surgical. Their stock trades under the ticker ISRG, currently priced at $310 per share. The stock has seen growth of 29% in the past year and is up nearly 3% in the last few months. Intuitive Surgical manufactures and develops robotic-assisted products. This most notably includes their Da Vinci surgical system, plus the related instruments and accessories. They work to improve clinical outcomes of patients through minimally invasive surgery. There are 70 countries around the world with Da Vinci systems and over 7,500 Da Vinci systems themselves. In 2022, 1.8 million procedures were performed on the systems for a total procedures performed of over 13 million. Intuitive Surgical shared their Q2 earnings report recently on July 20th, where they did come out with an earnings beat. With revenue of $1.76 billion, they reported earnings per share of $1.42, coming in 9 cents ahead of analyst expectations. The company also saw their worldwide Da Vinci procedures grow 22% compared to the second quarter of 2022. They also increased the range for fiscal 2023's procedure growth as well, now anticipating procedure growth from 20 to 22%. Their stock is currently rated a strong buy based on 14 analyst ratings. With 12 buys and 2 holds, the average price target comes in at $377, which would be an upside potential of over 21%, and the most recent ratings all coming in the last couple of weeks following that earnings report. On the low end, we do have a hold rating from Morgan Stanley with an upside of 5%, and on the high end, we have Bank of America coming in with a buy at 27% upside. Second on our list, we have Elevance Health. Their stock trades under the ticker ELV, currently priced at $468 per share. Now, I know these are not the cheapest stocks today, but don't forget that fractional shares exist as well. Now, they have seen some ups and downs this past year and are pretty flat, down 0.5%, and have seen growth of 3% in the last few months. Elevance Health is one of the leading names in health insurance. The company was formed back in 2004 after the merger of WellPoint Health Networks and Anthem Incorporated, and changed their name to Elevance Health back in 2022. They provide medical benefits through a range of integrated healthcare plans and related services, along with a wide range of specialty products such as life and disability insurance benefits, dental, vision, behavioral health, and long-term care insurance. Elevance Health also had an earnings beat in their latest report, which came out on July 19th. For their Q2, they had earnings per share of $9.04, easily beating analyst expectations, and revenue of $43.67 billion. The company also saw their medical enrollment increase 938,000 members year over year to 48 million, and operating revenue grew over 12%. Their stock is currently rated a strong buy among analysts, with one analyst from Morgan Stanley actually naming them their top pick. Morgan Stanley analyst Michael Ha raised the firm's price target on the shares to $585 and saying that the firm now identifies them as a top pick, believing that the company is currently the cleanest story in managed care into 2024. The stock currently has 11 buy ratings and 1 hold, and an average price target of $570, which would be an upside of 22% from current prices. Down below, we can see those recent ratings following that earnings report. We do have our hold rating here, though they didn't give a price target, and the rest of the buys range from about 18 to 31% upside. And third on our list today is Immunovant. Their stock trades under the ticker IMVT, currently priced at over $22 per share. They have had a big year, jumping up from penny stock status back here. Year to date, the stock is up 20% and 16% in the last few months. Immunovant is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on patients with autoimmune diseases. They are trailblazers in anti-FcRn technology as they're developing innovative targeted therapies to meet the complex and variable needs of people with autoimmune diseases. Immunovant's two investigational products, batoclimab and IMVT-1402, are novel, fully human monoclonal antibodies that target FcRn and may reduce harmful immunoglobulin G autoantibodies, which are common causes of autoimmune disease. As a clinical stage company, they are not yet profitable and did post a wider than expected loss in their last earnings report, but more focus was on their recent studies. For their Q4, they did have a loss per share of 46 cents, but more importantly, their investigational new drug or IND application and clinical trial application or CTA for the IMVT-1402 was cleared by the FDA and MedSafe. Analysts do seem optimistic on the company as we have 10 unanimous buy ratings. And with an average price target of over $30 per share, that would be growth potential of 37%. Taking a look down below, we do have some that are still a couple months old as well. Price targets range from a low end of around 20% upside to high-end price targets above 55%. So there we have 3 strong buy healthcare stocks, all with some double-digit upside potential. Let me know your thoughts on these companies in the comments down below. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just providing some information and entertainment. So please make sure you always do your own research and due diligence. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.